Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Apple Pay service is currently unavailable issue in 2025 quickly and easily. So if you're facing the annoying problem, stick around till the end, and because I'm covering every working method step by step, let's jump right in. First, close any apps or pages you're on and go to your settings. Make sure your device is properly connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or a cellular, whichever you are using. Next, scroll down and tap on screen time. Then scroll again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. If it turn on, go ahead, turn off the restrictions completely. Now go back and perform a forced restart. This is called a forced restart on your device. Once it restarts, check if Apple Pay is working. If not, no worries. Let's keep going. Open settings again and scroll down the tab, General. Here, check if your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If not, update is right away. Still not working. Go back to the settings, head into General once more, and this time tap Language and Region. Now make sure the region is set correctly to where you're currently living. This can make a big difference. After doing all the steps, your Apple Pay should be back to normal. And that's it. You're done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it badly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.